Hello students, today I am here to discuss one more question from JEE Advanced 2025. Today I will be discussing a question. It is actually based on coordination chemistry. The question is the correct order of the wavelength maximum of the absorption band in the ultraviolet visible region for the given complexes. So there are 4 different complexes has been given. So let me first draw all these 4 complexes. Here we can see that cobalt is surrounded by 6 cyanoligand. Here it is 6 ammonia ligand. Here 1 ammonia is replaced with water and here 1 ammonia is replaced with halogen. Now if we check the strength of the ligand, strongest is Cn minus cyano and the weakest is halogen, that is Cl minus here. So this is the order of the ligand, strength of ligand, and based on that we have to check what is the CFC of complex 1 to complex 4. Now here we can see that since the cyano is the strongest ligand, so for complex 1 CFC will be highest, and CFC is highest means it needs more energy to transfer one electron from the T2G level to EG level. And we also know that relationship between the energy and the wavelength, higher energy means smaller wavelength. So that means in the complex 1, since the energy is highest, means CFC is highest, so wavelength will be smallest. Now let's check complex 2. Complex 2, the cobalt is surrounded by ammonia ligand. Ammonia is stronger but weaker than cyano. Definitely CFC will be less than complex 1. Then lambda will be larger than complex 1. Now if I compare complex 3 and complex 4, we know water and halogens both are weak field ligands, but halogen is weaker than water. So that means CFC of complex 4 will be least, or it will be less than complex 3. So definitely complex 4 will be the highest wavelength. So now let's check it. The order of CFC is like this, that complex 1 is the highest CFC, complex 4 is the lowest CFC. So wavelength will be opposite, where complex 1 means when the cobalt is surrounded by cyanoligand, it is the smallest wavelength, and when the cobalt is surrounded by 6 ammonia and 1 chlorine, here CFC is smallest, so wavelength will be highest. So this is the order, correct order of the wavelength. So here the correct option is option number A. I hope this explanation is clear to all the students. I have already designed many questions from JEE Main and JEE Advanced. You can check all this link. Hope it will be helpful for your exam preparation. Thank you for watching this video.